Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, find the next term of the given sequence. And we have given the sequence here. 4, 14, 54, 214, 854, 3414. Okay. Now here, first term is 4. If we multiply that 4 by 4 and subtract 2 from it, we get 16 minus 2 means 14, which is the next term. Okay. By putting the similar pattern, means if we multiply that second term by 4 and we subtract 2 from that multiplication, we will get 56 minus 2 means 54, which is the third term. Okay, like that. 54 into 4 minus 2 means 216 minus 2, which will be 214. Okay, 214 into 4 minus 2 is 856 minus 2, so it is 854. Then 854 into 4 minus 2 is 3416 minus 2, so it is 3414. 3414. Now here, to get the next term, we need to subtract 3414 by 4 minus 2. So it is 13,656 minus 2. So it is 13,654. Okay. Hence, the sequence be like 4, 14, 54, 214, 854, 3414, and the next term be 13,654. So our correct option is option